Hey team, I just want to show you some updates we've been making to the app. So on the left side here, we have how it looks currently, and some on the right side here, we have some updates to the UI. So mainly we've been focusing heavily on the navigation here. And so this is the tribe version. If you're in, Rainmakers, it would look like have a different icon there, or whichever your app icon is will appear there. But you can see we've just kind of cleaned up to make it a little bit easier to see what's going on at the top. What I can do when I jump into a particular group, let's go to one with, I'll go to Pioneers here. So this is the old way. This is the new way here. Again, just a little bit cleaner. And we've increased the uh, size of the tabs here because that's kind of a big deal to get between these different items. Also, if you're on Wins and then you hit the plus and you hit Create Post, it's now going to have the win selected. To add to that, if we hit the plus here and create post, you'll see it's changed just a little bit on how this flow used to be. Um, and you can then we've moved these buttons to the top up here, so the go live and post is at the top. And also when you're here and you hit the plus here, then you have the option just to go live immediately. So if I tap that, my camera comes right on. We've totally redesigned the go live feature there. So now you tap go live and within 3 seconds you're seeing your picture and you can hit another button and you're live. So I think it's less than 5 seconds to go from tapping to streaming, which is pretty exciting. And it used to not be that way. You used to tap and then there was like a screen that asked you your name and then you would go from there and then actually start streaming. So a little faster. I've also just cleaned up things when you're down here. If I used to go to a course and I was in a course like this, and let's tap match these pages, then I would, let's say I tapped into a lesson like week 2 here, and let's go here, and let's pause this. Uh, what when you wanted to go back from this, we've now added this here so you can actually see what course you're on. And if you hit the back button, you just go right back to this. And previously, you used to have to click this thing. And if you did this on mobile, you actually would get stuck here. You could not get basically back to the group. You'd have to tap courses again, come out here. So it's a little bit faster. Also, if you're on replays, and then I went down into a specific replay here, um, we would have just the date up there. I'm not sure how that got there. But now when you tap replays and you're in here, you can actually see a back button here that will get you back to the list of replays quickly. And we've got we've changed on this side. We used to have a photo up here. Now we've just cleaned this whole area up. So it's just your app icon, your brand icon, and then the name of the group that you're in. And if you tap this, so what used to happen is if you're on a page like this and you tapped the group, you'd get this whole drawer that would pop in, which is not bad, but it was just a little slow. And now when you tap that at the top, it just reloads this page, which actually feels surprisingly faster, even though you're leaving the page. It actually loads really quickly and it feels snappy. So, and we're actually able to delete all the code that managed this, as well as the little sidebar for the courses. So excited about that. And we've just gone through and we're cleaning up a couple little bugs here and there as we're finding them. So I just wanted to post this, give you guys a quick update, but this will be coming maybe in the next couple days.